What's up guys, welcome back for the next video in the series. So today what we will be doing is first off starting and installing the radiator. I got a Jackson Racing Radiator that has the oil cooler integrated into it. This thing has crazy instructions compared to everything else that I've gotten. Even came in a binded book. Like, what have you ever seen that? That's crazy. Came with all these other goodies. Won't need any of this stuff. Might see if I could use the line somewhere, although I believe the angle of some of these fittings might make it challenging, but we'll see what we could do. At the end of the video last time, we got all the transmission plates in. I got the new master cylinder installed. Tilted, that thing's super easy. You just take the bolts out, then under at the foot in the gas pedal box, there's a clip on the clutch pedal. You just take the clip out, and then the rod will come right out and you can take the thing out. Super easy. So let's get started. A couple of clips on this front side to hold the air intake ducts. Guys. I'm going to set this on the floor on the side that it was on so I don't forget which side is which. Swear to God, these connectors are going to be the enemy. Sometimes it's so hard, or so easy, I make it hard. There's just a little tab right there that you got to push down and come turn. Are they not the same? There we go. Oh, this is gonna drive me crazy. There we go. Interesting. She's out. Or part of it at least. So don't forget about the horn. Because I almost did. Oh! There's more connectors on that side. What the heck? Oh my, there's a lot of coolant in there still.
Smurf blood.
Okay.
That wasn't too bad, huh?
No. Just the connectors removed.
Yeah.
Trying to keep it on as much as I can to protect it. hanging down and there's a gap at the top.
Bolt one of these.
So this would be sticking up at the top.
Supposed to.
It sits perfectly in the middle of the other one.
Sits in the middle.
Unless I had this one.
There's a possibility of that.
DC type getting caught on the neck.
Oh, you got it right. Okay, now I got it in. We just gotta get everything upside down.
I didn't realize that they just do bolts and stuff. Ideally, we want to seal all of this off.
Is that what that foam was?
So this sealed it to the bottom.
Gorilla tape.
So I got the foam attached to the best of my ability. This might actually suck ass, but made the most of the pieces that I had through super glue and Gorilla double-sided tape. This stuff works awesome. But now, ready to go back in. Like I said, this stuff might actually suck. Might have done a really shitty job. It might actually do nothing. But there's only one way to find out. So let's get this thing in. Well, the foam does nothing through here, but I mean, I guess something is better than nothing, right? Sensors connected in the front. Boom. I'm just gonna put this on for the time being. I might not actually need this. Done.